Okay, today we're going to show you how to install your I Love Lakewood sticker. First thing you need to do is have a smooth, clean surface. It could be a non-porous surface. It can be glass, metal, whatever. If you're putting it on a rear window and you have a wiper blade like this, you probably want to place it out of the way of the wiper blade. Otherwise the sticker itself will get stuck or scratched. So what you want to do, clean it first. I've already done this. If you put a piece of tape along one edge, you create like a hinge, which allows you to remove the backing paper, which is the blue portion, and the sticker should stick to the transfer tape. You have clean here, stickers here now. And you simply take with a stiff card, your debit card, other stiff card, or you can even use your fingers, push it down, working it. Sometimes when the window's not really flat, you'll end up with a crease in it. There's really not much you can do about that. Except this one didn't work right. Get this little crease in here. Go ahead and just crease it right up in there. Another one there. Again, this is because it's not a smooth window. Or it's not a flat window. It's got a bit of a curve to it. So you're going to have some creases in them. Unless it's more on a flat spot. After you put it on, then you'll remove the transfer tape. It peels back like this. Do it slow and steady until it's fully removed. And then your new sticker's installed. You may want to go over it one more time with your finger. Make sure it's all pressed down good and tight. And there you have it. Congratulations. Have a good day.